Hello dear traders. In this video I would like to review the possible scenario for the gold in coming week. So I started, actually I had a look to Forex Factory and I found that there are not a lot of important and high impact news regarding USD. So I consider this week as a light week regarding the major impacts regarding news that we have about USD. So I don't think that it's necessary to review the news, except that the Federal Reserve has a meeting this week, and I expect to see the result of that meeting, which may affect on the US dollar interest rate. Except that we don't see any major impact on regarding news regarding USD. So I prefer to focus on the technical chart, and let's start with the daily chart. In the daily chart, as we see that after a very strong bullish movement that we had last week, now gold started to show that the buyer liquidation. It means that the buyer were not able to close about the last bearish candle that we had on Friday. So, excuse me, on Thursday. So I expect here to see the. Let me put a line here in order to clarify. I expect to see this line to be break by buyers if we want to continue the bullish, if there is any possibility of bullish continuation. It means that till we don't have this line break by the buyer and close above it, we cannot think about the bullish continuation. The, let's say, border that I expect that the bullish movement to be continued, it's around 4,530. So this bullish movement could be continued at least till 4,513, but the expectation is first to see that the buyers are able to close above 4,439. If it's not, let's say, happened between the Monday and Tuesday, my expectation is to see the correction, and the correction would be continued to the level first 4,300 almost, and the second level could be 4,233. But here we have a point that we need to pay attention to. It's that here, if you see, we have a lower low that's created on Friday. So my expectation and the first possibility is to see that the price come back to this area and reach the liquidity under this level 4,300, and then to start to retest the level 4,393. Again, if there were a possibility to break these two level, then we can expect the continuation. Otherwise, the possible scenario is that the gold to start to see the lower level. Why I'm thinking about that? As you see here, we have a trend line that already approved and confirmed by 3 points. So what I expect is just to see that if the price is able to take the more liquidity around this trend line or not. So now we are in a situation that we can think that maybe price, if the price were not able to break 4,438 to restart to consider the correction, and even after correction, if the buyer were not able to break 4,391 or 4,400, we can think that the gold start the bearish strong movement. And we have here, maybe it's also another point that we can think about it. If you have a look to this bullish strong movement, we see that at the start it was not so strong, and we see here that with two first candle, we don't see that this strong bullish will continue, but it's started after, let's say, on 5 of August. So this, I believe that these candles comes by the news that we had in Middle East. So maybe we can think that the price to come back here and take the liquidity that it's still waiting the price here to restart the bullish movement. So if I want to summarize, I should mention the first scenario is to see the react of the price to this level, 4,435. If this, let's say, level break strongly in 2 hours almost, we can think about the level 4,514. If this level didn't break, then what I expect is to see the reaction of the price to this level 4,304, and then to continue to retest the upper level. So it's the more possible scenario. And another scenario could be to see the price to come to this, let's say, maybe better to put it, to come to this level. Right. Let me create it in this way. Come to this level, come back, confirm, and see this level. It's the most possible scenario that I am expecting to see from gold this week. But if we see that this level 4,300 break, we can think about the lower levels. I hope that's I am enough clear in order to clarify the possible scenarios for coming week. Don't hesitate to leave your comments, if any, and I will update you if any change in the scenario by the comment under this video. Wishing you a very nice trading week, and thank you for watching.